What's going on, everyone? It's the one and only Plumber Mike. Oyo Hotel. That's for you, Kelvin. The Oyo. I'm going to this hotel right here to sleep in. They got a split system issue. So we're gonna go up there and take some video, hopefully, and see what's going on, guys. Happy Friday! Happy Friday! Happy Friday. What a beautiful day. Nice view of the Manhattan skyline. Beautiful. This complex is one of our customers as well. We take care of the HVAC equipment there. We've got JFK Airport right over there. And of course you got the traffic on the belt. And I got the Oyo Hotel. Kelvin. Oyo. The Oyo Hotel. What a beautiful day. Beautiful day. Oh. All right, back to work. We got this Daikin 24,000 BTU mini split system. It is going to 2 zones, I believe. Yep. See? And for ducted concealed units. All right, took the cover off. Noticing service port cap is missing on the suction side. We have some oil residue on here as well. Hook up our gauges and see what kind of pressures we're working with. All right, if you take a look at our pressures, we're low, very low. Temperature, pressure equals temperature, and it thinks it's 20 degrees out.
Actually, system 7.5 pounds સુધી hold કરે.
Take a look. 6.17 pound factory charge. Customer just wants us to dump and go. She's a leaker. So let's go down to the truck and get some 410A in the scale. Pump her up. Pump her up. Going down there, by the way. Let me show you. Good thing I'm not scared of heights, but there's the truck, baby. There's the truck, mama. Purge all the air out. Let's fill her up. Probably gonna empty out this tank. She ain't got no disconnect here. Just got these control wires there. No disconnect. Yeah, real professional installation here. Probably take around maybe 5-6 pounds. I got it reversed, but it just kicked on a little while ago. I'm gonna check these pressures. Went to the circuit breaker down 1 floor below. Let that run for a little bit. They weren't reversed. One of the units was on heat, one was on cool. So that is the suction side and that is the liquid side. 4.3 pounds. Got some good heat coming out of here. Good old pump and go. Yep. Stop at 5 pounds. Let that balance out a little bit. Let that balance out. Let's see. I want to keep that evaporator coil above freezing. It's also about 80 degrees inside. So it looks like we're good. But we'll let that sit for another 10 minutes and see what's going on.